You just connect, because I'm using a wireless microphone, so you connect it to the camera, and then there is the second part that you see on the table that I clip on myself. Let's talk about what do you need to start recording your content. Hello, my name is John and welcome. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that the previous video is about, removing fear, okay? Fear that is holding you back to start creating content, okay? So now that you no longer afraid of anything, the fear is gone, it's time to start recording your content. So, like I say in some of my videos, you're gonna need a light, you're gonna need microphone, you're gonna need like a phone or camera in order to start recording your content. So it depends on what type of content you wanna create. If it's a faceless content, you're not gonna need a camera. But if you wanna show your face like I'm doing right now, you're gonna need a camera to record yourself and then create your content. Okay. So for that one, I show you what type of camera I'm using in the video you probably seeing right now. You just connect, because I'm using a wireless microphone, so you connect it to the camera, and then there is the second part that you see on the table that I clip on myself, on my shirt, and then start recording my content. And then of course, I have to turn on the camera to do that. So if you don't want to use your camera, you don't have money to buy a camera, you can use your phone. Okay, so I have my phone that I use like I told you, when I first started, I've been using iPhone 5X, so that's what I use. So for that, you need your phone, like you have a light, or if you want to use a sunlight, that's fine. And then you plug the microphone to it. Okay, so it depends on the microphone port on your phone. If you can connect on this straight to the phone, you do that. In case you cannot connect it, like this phone, I cannot connect it straight, it doesn't have that port, so I will use the adapter. So I use this adapter, as you see here, I connect it to it, and then I can plug it to the back of the phone. And then I would, you need a tripod, obviously, to put this on the tripod before you start recording your content. Okay, in case you don't have a tripod, you can just stack like some books and then put the phone on top of the book and start recording your content. As far as a microphone, if you don't want to use a wireless microphone, you have a shotgun microphone that you can use. This right here, I use it sometimes. For the camera, you just put on top of the camera, the one I'm using, the DSLR that I'm using. I put in front on top of it, and then connect it to the camera, and then start recording. Okay, there is another microphone you can use also. This one right here is basically the one I just showed you, but I'll show you the whole thing. It's like very long. The cord is really long. You can use it even if you have the phone a little bit away from you, you can use this one. Okay, so this is the end of it. I don't know if you can see it. This is the end of it, the one I just showed you, and this is the microphone, the top. Okay, the microphone. So all you need to do is just to clip it on your shirt like this, something like that, and then connect it back on the end to the phone or to the camera. You can use it for camera as well, and then you're gonna start recording your content. So those are the basic stuff that you need. Nothing much to start recording. Again, remove the fear. You need to start recording. If you don't start, you will never get better. Okay, don't keep procrastinating. Actually, I put this on the floor. Don't keep procrastinating. Okay, you have to start creating content. Another thing I want to show you is, if you don't have like the lights, the tripod and all the stuff on separately, you can buy like a ring light. So I have this one that I use sometimes. So this ring light, for example, you can put your phone here. Okay, put the phone here. You see, it's kind of stretchable. You can put your phone there, and then you connect this to the USB port, to the whatever USB port you have, maybe on your computer, or if you have a USB adapter you can use to plug into the wall. Yeah, you can do that as well. And then you can start recording your content. This one is very cheap. It's not that expensive. You can check them on Amazon and see how much it costs. So those are the basic stuff you're gonna need to start recording your content. So once you record your content, what you're gonna do, you're gonna transfer it to your computer, and then from your computer you're gonna upload it to YouTube. So I'm sure that you already have your YouTube account created. So like I said, once you transfer the content to your computer, just upload it to YouTube. And probably in the next video I will show you what type of settings, like once I upload a video, we're gonna talk about like the title or the tags. Some people say it don't matter anymore, but I still put tags on my video, and also the description before you publish it online. Thanks for watching.